Brand new bikini from Blooming Jelly. If you're looking to double up on bust support, this is how you do it. It's got the most flattering adjustable string bikini bottoms. The top is wicked supportive. The bathing suit top has stitching under the bust. This band of compression is nice and thick. Double line swimsuit fabric. It's like a literal sports bra underneath. This layer of the bathing suit top gives you that extra support. It's like 2 bikini tops, only it's 1 bikini top. Both sets of bathing suit straps are adjustable. Support at the shoulder, support across the back. 10 out of 10. The bikini bottoms have a mid-rise fit that hits exactly where you want it to. Not too low, definitely not too high. Perfect adjustable fit with the ties at the side. You could even wear them up higher like this. No bulge at the side. The backside coverage with this bathing suit is full coverage. Nothing's hanging out. If you're looking for a color block bikini only with extra support, this one's right up your alley. I'm gonna link it below.
Okay, next tayo sis. Next. Madam, size large. Size large underwear. Wala na pa double sis. Naubos nyo na. Okay. Large. Code ako ng 4. 4 ang code. Size na to large. Ganyan siya suotin. Code 4. Code 4. Large. Code ng 4. Sige. Ulitin ko yun. Reflex ko. Okay, 4 ang code 4, sister. Sige, reflex. Ayan. Isang box lang yun, no? Pag kayo hindi kayo nag-may ng Rush G, ah. Next. Oh, ang lakas. Ang lakas na naman, ma'am. Try ko. Okay. Oh, sister, Rush Gold. Okay. Rush G. 258 pesos. Okay. Size na to ay size medium. Size medium, sister. 3-in-1. Rash guard, size medium with pads. May pang-cover pa. Code ako ng 4. Code 4, code ng 4. Size na to medium. Code 4. Ang ganda nito, sis. Okay, 4 ang code 4. Size na to medium, ha. Okay, may pang-cover pa siya. Okay, 4 ang code 4, size medium. Code 4. Okay, 4 ang code 4. Ano ne? Ay, pa-short. Sister, pa-short. Ang ganda nito, oh. Size na to extra small. Extra small, code ako ng 7. Ang ganda. 7 ang code 7. Feel ko kasha ako dito. Code ng 7. 7 ang code. Extra small. 258 trash guard. 258 trash guard. Code ng 7. 7 ang code. Okay, next tayo sis. Next. Okay, size naman ito ay size large. Ito ang ganda nito, sister. Size large, code ako ng 2. 2 ang code, 2. Size nito large. Code 2. Ganda, sister. Okay, code 2. Parang wala tang medium nito. Code 2. Size ay large. Code 2. Code ng 2. Okay, ang ganda nun. Next tayo, sis. Next. Ang ganda ng color, oh. Size na to ay medium. Size medium, code ako ng 2. 2 ang code 2. Size na to medium. Code 2. Kasya po yan sa medium. Or maluwag na. Medyo maluwag, sis. Okay, 2 ang code 2. Size medium, code ako ng big size. Pinakamalaking size nito ni XL. Pinakamalaking size ni Rash Guard, XL. Madam, size small. Size small with belt. Code ako ng 5, code 5. Small with belt. Code ng 5, code 5. Ganda nito, plain lang siya. Code ng 5. Oh, next tayo, sis, medium. Size, medium. Code ako ng 3. 3 ang code, 3. Size na to, medium. Code 3, code 3. Size, medium. Code ng 3. Oy, nasan na kayo, sis? Kala ko gusto niyo ng ano. Rash guard. Ay, eto. Next, mga madam. Size na to, large. Me, size large. Code ako ng 5. 5 ang code, 5. Size na to, large. Code 5. Sakto lang din yung length niya, oh. Code 5, code 5. Size na to, large. Code ako 5. Large, code ng 5. Okay, 5 ang code, 5. Large, 258. 258. Next tayo, pang full body, sis. Size na to ay large. Me, size large. Code ako ng 8. 8 ang code, 8. Okay, sa mga nagugluta dyan, perfect to sa inyo. 8 ang code, 8. Size na to large. Code 8, code 8. Pinakamalaki sis XL. Extra large, pinakamalaki. Saan na ba yun? Ito ba yun? Walang XL nun, sis. Me, extra small. Extra small, sis. Tama ba? Ay, small lang pala siya. Size small, code ako ng 7. Size small, code 7. 7 ang code. Small is small, code 7. 7 daw si madam. Next, sister. Small, medium. Small hanggang medium, sis. Okay. Ay, pass pala. Yung isa, si 7. May isa pa. Small hanggang medium. Code ako ng 8. 8 ang code. 8. Small hanggang medium. Code 8. Code 8. Small hanggang medium. Code ako 8. Wala, sister. Okay. Madam Itchaira, yours na. Madam Itchaira, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 258, card to card. Next tayo, sis. Next. Okay, size na to ay size XL. Madam extra large. XL, code ako 4. 4 ang code. Cute si nito. 4 ang code, 4 XL. Code ako 4. Code 4.